In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad, his family, his companions, and all those who follow the path of truth. Respected viewers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I would like to speak about an important topic, Indian Muslims and Independence Day. Every year on 15th August, India celebrates Independence Day. On this day in 1947, our country became free from British rule after a long struggle and countless sacrifices. We remember all those brave men and women who dedicated their lives to the freedom of our nation. Friends, the struggle for India's independence was not the effort of one community alone. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, and people from many backgrounds stood together for the freedom of their motherland. Today, I especially want to highlight the contribution of Indian Muslims, because this part of history is sometimes not discussed enough. The British first came to India in the early 17th century for trade through the East India Company. Over time, they expanded their political and military power. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1764, British control grew rapidly. Finally, after many decades of resistance, India achieved independence on 15 August 1947. Many Muslim leaders and scholars played an important role in this struggle. Among them were Tipu Sultan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, Ashfaqullah Khan, Shaykhul Hind Maulana Mahmud Hassan, and Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, along with many other freedom fighters from different communities. Their work and sacrifice for an independent India. The revolt of 1857 was one of the greatest movements against British rule. Many scholars, soldiers, and ordinary citizens participated in it. Countless people suffered imprisonment, exile, and even death in the cause of freedom. The history of India teaches us that unity is our greatest strength. When Indians stood together, they become stronger than the policy of division. As responsibility citizens, we should honor every freedom fighter, regardless of religion or background. Their sacrifices remind us that our nation was built through courage, unity, and love for the motherland. On this Independence Day, let us pray for peace, justice, harmony, and progress in our country. May Allah protect India, bless all its people, and guide us to respect one another and work together for a brighter future. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.